grab the link. There we go. Is that gonna... There we go. All right. Here we go. All right. No one's in here yet. How dare you? Oh, good evening, Kozlu. Arsenic, if you call me igneous one more time, I'm going to fucking strangle you. Oh, hello, Artie. Adri. How do you pronounce your name? Is it Adri? Adri? I assume Adri. Adri? Do people not pronounce your name Kozlu? How else would you pronounce that? Grubbles in the Discord server asking me what mod I'm working on, but not looking in the stream. Alright, so... Well, there's just a lot of ways you could do it. At least in English. Or American English, rather. I don't know what Spark is, so probably not. Alright, so let's head into Discord. Let's take a look at enchantments here. So, we're gonna go on like a small blitz. And then... Alright, so you get out of there. Let's go ahead and take a look. So, we just want everything approved. So yeah, we have a lot so far. Let's actually delete the ones that I've already made. So, pull, done. Double jump, done. Low sweep. That one's not done. Crystal kick is done. Stonecaller is also done. So far, we have 5 enchantments planned that aren't implemented yet. So, let's go ahead and do... probably Crush. No, I'm not gonna do Echo Strike. Not yet. I'm taking a breather today. I'm gonna do some easy ones. Oh, and Exo Boots. So yeah, we have 4 planned that we haven't done yet. And then, so first Crush, and then probably Low Sweep. Low Sweep, I'm probably going to make a Keybind for. Alright, so... Yeah, Echo does indeed sound like a pain. Actually, maybe I do Crush and Breakthrough, because I can probably just look at the code in the axe. And then that'll be pretty simple, just copy and paste. So, let's go ahead and just do Crush first. Ferrite Core is in the mod pack. It was actually in my first video. So, let's see. Crush. Thy end is now. Die. Weak. Okay, so using me as background noise. How dare you? Okay, so let's see. So what's our first step? First step is going into mod enchantments and registering us. So let's go ahead and put us under, let's just do sky charge here. So we will actually be Crush. Thy end is now. Alright, and this is gonna make it all go red. But that's fine. And then dot armor legs. There. And now what we're going to do is probably just steal this from double jump. And then where is Crush? Here it is. This needs to extends and not that. And then Crush enchantment. And then let's delete that. Okay. Ah, hello, Tominium. Yes, A-Dry. The, Minos Prime sound effect will be on this one. Thank you, Tominium. Okay, so... I'm glad you all are so excited. Let's see, Crush enchantment here. So the first thing we need to do in order to code this thing is register, not in here, when the key is pressed. So on key input event, what we want to do is if Minecraft dot get instance dot options dot key shift dot is down, then it will play Crush enchantment dot on key input events. And this actually doesn't exist yet, but we can make it exist now. There. We will conquer the world. Thank you, Grubbles. Askelmon Skyryan to advertise the server once you release it or something. Who's Askelmon Skyryan? You have to send me a link to his channel. Maybe I'll shoot him an email. Okay, so on key input event, what do we want to do on the key input event? Oh, he's mostly a TikToker. Okay. Maybe I could get some value out of him for, like, making shorts. You know, the one short I actually posted got, like, 1,000 views pretty fast. Granted, it died immediately, but if I make one, like, that's just a bit better, I might actually have something going from there. That thing was, like, so low quality, and it got me 4 subscribers and 1,000 views. It was kind of crazy. So what am I doing? So if we want to, let's look back in here. we want to get the player here. And then over here in the crush enchantment. So there. So if p player dot on ground is false, then set start posting tomorrow. Okay, that's cool. The King of Purple. Today I'm making Crush, and then I forgot what the other one was. Breakthrough. So pplayer equals minecraft.getInstance.player. If player is not on the ground, and then this obviously is if they press shift. Pplayer dot set delta movement 0 -1 0. Now, this obviously won't do the whole crushing functionality yet, but it will send you hurtling straight towards the ground. You what? Oh, a map. But what do you mean? What's it want in here? Oh, I used capital letters here. Whoops. Crush. There we go. So yeah, it does work. It'll send you hurtling straight towards the ground. Interesting. That's quite strange. Maybe we gotta fix something in here. So maybe I just didn't copy that correctly. It's quite strange, I won't lie. It looks like the same damn thing. net.minecraft.world.itemstack.empty because pstack is null. Okay, so it's not in here. Okay, so at overwrite that. Okay. Is it at shadow? Maybe I just do this. Okay, and then I can copy this and then just shadow this. And we'll actually take that and put it down here just in case. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. I like this song. All right. Where else do we find pstack? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we find it in there too. Maybe. Whoa. That's strange. That's quite strange. That didn't work. So... Huh. So why doesn't that work? Well... So... Huh. So I can have one, but not the other? Well, let's see if that works. That's so weird. Actually, these are the only 4. That's all that deals with it. Yeah, this should fix it, in theory. If that doesn't work, then I'll just create a new world and see if I can replicate it. Yeah, I think it didn't know where to return to. But in theory, that should fix it. So, back to Crush. So I want to make the player immune for a minute. Well, not like a full minute, but player dot immune. Let's see. Surely there's a way you can set the player to be immune. Maybe. Okay, well, it looks like can. Well, that's an interesting one to look at. Hmm. Perhaps is. Hmm. Oh. Here we go. Damage source dot. How do I declare that again? I think it was somewhere down here. Damage sources. Hmm. Okay, now we have all of the damage sources. Ugh. So See, that should work, shouldn't it? Or damage type. Uh, well, that. Source. What does that mean? Damage type. I don't think that's gonna work. But I guess we'll find out. God damn it. I forgot about the trident. Oh my god, I forgot again. You can't be serious. Okay, let's just delete that one for good. And then create new world, creative, there. Yeah, that crashed the game. Oh my god. That's some crazy shit right there. Let's not do that. Let's do that. That looks like it's way better. And then okay, so let's just see if that works first. Okay. Ugh. That didn't work at all. Definitely still taking damage. So it looks like only while that code is being ran, maybe? Which means I might need to do some, like, really weird, complicated, variable stuff. But I think I can get it working. Whoops. Fumbled my keys there. That's not working. Whether this entity is invulnerable. Well, that's... Okay, so... Well, fine. How about I set it to false? Nope. Didn't work. Well, that's a bit frustrating. It should just be true. Google time. How to set the player to invulnerable. Minecraft Forge 1.20.1. Slash invincible. Well, I guess invincible's another word. Let's try that. Oh. Living herd event? So that would mean we go in here. That's subscribe event. Public void. What was it? Living herd. Is that even gonna work? System.out.println. There. Oh. There's no way that works. Good evening, Arsenic. Living hurt event. Minecraft Forge 1.20.1. Okay. So I just needed that in there. Now it should work. This I'm more confident in. So if it says really, that means it's working. All right. That's weird. Why on earth? So living attack event? Is that what we need? But I'm not exactly getting attacked now, am I? Okay, should be done saying really by now. But it does look like it fires as soon as I take damage. And I think when I regenerate also. And when I open my inventory. What the heck? What is this event? It is so useless. Well, I mean... Guess I can extend those as well. Then I can just kind of... If source equals damage type dot ball. Okay. Amount equals 0. I think, would that work? Do we ever return anything? I'm gonna be surprised if this works. So I can cancel it. What do you mean illegal public void? Ah. Okay, so this should just make me completely immune to fall damage. Crazy indeed. So if this works, that would be pretty crazy. Although I would prefer to, like, divide it in half. Hey! I think that worked. Yeah, it did. Nice. All right, so I do really want to get event dot get amount three. Well, let me do that though. So what if I do that? Is the first statement. What are you talking about? Okay, so that's not gonna work. Let's go into here. All right, and then I have to check. I wanted to check if it has the crush enchantment. And crush enchantment dot invincible. And then back in the crush enchantment, we'll make a public static Boolean invincible. There we go. So those obviously aren't real problems. Actually, is it as simple as... Is it as simple as that? It might just be this. Nope, definitely still took damage. Hello. It's going great. Hmm. Nice, thank you, Costa. So let's go ahead and make another variable falling. And then and invincible equals true. Then public static long delay delay equals 100, I guess. So then oh, okay. Then else, then if falling, then we set, oh, I made a whoopsies. If falling, then falling, whoops, equals false. And delay equals system dot current time milliseconds, and then we if system dot current time milliseconds is greater than or equal to delay plus 100. Then set invincible to false. That didn't work. Okay, well. Maybe it's because I haven't enchanted my leggings with Crush yet. Oh my god. Okay. Leggings. Dev. Crush. Okay, still doesn't work. That is very frustrating. This isn't the right one. There we go. What are you guys posting? Of course it's that emoji. I don't care. Spam that thing. Get my chat rate up. Woo! YouTube likes seeing the chat rate. All right. Now it should make me immune for a whole second. Okay, guess not. Wait a minute. Found out why. Player.get inventory.get armor in slot 1. There. Now if I go back in here, there. Now that should work. Refactoring was supposed to make all of this happen automatically. What the heck is this song? Oh. Alright. Time to jump off a cliff again. Woo! Let's go! Okay, so let's see. Let's go into, where is it? Crush enchantment. So let's just let's see if this still works. Like this. Hey, it does. Okay, so we made a ton of variables I don't actually need. So this I don't need. That I don't need. These I don't need. And that's all of it. So all that I have to do now is if I'm scared this could be abused. No, we couldn't. Not a chance. That's right. We need to go in here. There. Now we can put all of that in there. Okay, and then we can go back in here. Let's take this part out. God damn you. Let's take this out. And then we'll make new if statements. Inside here, if it's a fall damage event, then do that. And if it's a explosion, also do that. There we go. Then we want to make a packet, new packet, crush, enchantment, client to server packet. And then let's just copy all of this stuff, because I'm not sure what to do there. Let's refactor this. Rename. Just crush. 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 Oh, I think in here we have to register a new packet. And here we're actually going to register a crush client to server packet. There we go. And now in here, what we want to do is explode. So, we want to level dot explode Here we go. Player dot x. Y and C, and then we'll call this 4. And then lastly, we need to go back into Crush, and we want to do mod messages dot send to server Crush client to server packets. I don't remember how to do that. Let's look back at double jump. Or not double jump. Stone collar. Where's the part where we... Oh, we just needed to say new. New. There. Alrighty. If this works as planned. Whoa. That's holy. Yeah. I think I messed up my code a bit. So... if invincible, then explode. There. This should work. What do you mean? Where did that run? Net.minecraft. What? Let's just try this again. That was weird. Oh, you can't be freaking serious. What? Why on earth? There we go. Let's try that. That's better. That doesn't blow anything up. Okay, so might need to fix that still. Although I think that would be achieved pretty simply just by false. There. Now, yeah, now it works as intended. And you, yep. Okay, so I might have to change this a bit. Because you clearly just don't... You have to fall a bit more, I think. So... Let's do crush. I don't think that'll work, but I don't know, maybe it will. And in here, what we actually want to do is if p player dot fall distance is greater than or equal to 1, then you'll do it. Because then you have to fall, like... Actually, let's make it at least 2 blocks. What the fuck? Huh. Okay, so maybe we don't make it 2. And instead make this 1. Oh, wait, I know exactly what to do. So in order for it to explode... There. Ugh. So yeah, now it'll still send you hurtling towards the ground, but it won't do damage unless you fall more than 2 blocks. Okay. So that didn't work. Well, I have another theory. Let's go ahead, put this in here. So it'll only explode if you're taking fall damage. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, and then if I'm just it only explodes if you're taking fall damage. Okay. So game rule, mob briefing. Oops. let's see what happens if we make this true. Okay. Okay, so if I make it none, it doesn't damage blocks. Good. But it will still damage entities. Alright, this is good. I like this. Alright. I think that's it. Alright. And then I think one thing I actually want to do is go back into Comet Entity. Because when it explodes... It explodes in the wrong way. Yeah. So let's set both of these to none. There. Woo! Alright. That is the Crush enchantment done. And let's see if we can get the Breakthrough enchantment done in less than 20 minutes. So, we're going to make a new Java class. We're going to do Breakthrough. Help if I could spell. Breakthrough enchantment. Yes, add the file. And then in impaling, what we're going to do is just take this. Go back into Breakthrough. Whoop, I don't like that. Extends enchantment. And then we'll change this to Breakthrough. And then back in impaling, we want to override the do post attack. I think it's do post attack, yeah. And then we also want to go back into mod enchantments here and register the new enchantment. So we're gonna call this what was it? Breakthrough. Breakthrough. And then what we want to do, I think I have access to all the items if I go into where's my mix-in? There we go. So here we have all the items. And what I'm going to want is the axe. Okay, so huh. Well, if we go back and break through, I think I saw something that would, like, let me. I have no way to test this. Well, I'm gonna call Breakthrough Enchantment good there. Mostly because I have no idea if that actually worked. It should be this simple. I believe. Oh, that's weird. Doesn't think it exists. Oh, probably because it doesn't. Breakthrough Enchantment. Here we go. Woo! That is so much stuff. Look at that. Alright, we will delete Breakthrough and delete Crush. Alright, well, I hope you all have a great day. We got a lot of stuff done this stream. See you all later.